Well, you finished?
Vamos para allá, we're traveling through the mountains, and we get to the waterfall. When you get to the waterfall, you can go the easy way, like many do, or you can go the adventurous way. We chose the adventurous way. I'm videoing.